Hi, I'm Jerry Cano. Coronavirus has put us in uncharted territory in terms of being isolated and feeling alone. The harsh reality is many experience that every day. I'm talking with Eric Richards of Cancer Support Community to learn how his team is making a difference every day. Eric, thanks for taking time to get together.
Hi, Jerry. Thanks so much for the opportunity to talk today and talk about Cancer Support Community and the work that we do here in Central Indiana. We're 25 years old in 2020, so we've been around a quarter of a century providing free support services of hope, education, and support for those impacted by cancer all over Central Indiana, 39 county footprint. We really try to focus on the whole family. It's not just about the patient. Of course, the patient is impacted by his or her diagnosis, but we know that spouses and partners, kids of parents who have cancer are also impacted. So we're providing support groups, individual counseling, cooking classes, wellness classes, educational programming. We do a lot of advocacy work to make sure that the patient voice is heard with our leadership, both here in the state of Indiana and then on the national level. It's important work, and we want to make sure we get the word out that we're here for anyone, especially right now. We're in a virtual environment. Everything that we're offering is virtual. So we still have our full slate of programs and services that we're offering right now.
Right, right. So is being isolated and feeling alone, is that a significant issue with your community?
Absolutely, and even before the stay-at-home orders and so forth, lots of social isolation for cancer patients in particular. Even their family members who are surrounding them, if they have that sort of situation at home, don't quite understand what that person is going through, and so places like Cancer Support Community provide a venue for them to be around others who are facing the same trials and tribulations that they are. And so that's why it's so important for us to be there in a virtual way. Again, the social isolation is already a big issue before all this, and it's an even bigger issue and is being exacerbated even more now with the current environment.
That's true. So I've heard of this thing called Laughing Matters. Tell me more about that.
You see the guys behind me, so those are two of the headliners that we've had in the past, and then Martin Short was supposed to be ours for this year on April 25th at Old National Center, but we've since had to make, like many other events and concerts and so forth, make alternate plans. So unfortunately, Martin's not going to be coming to town. However, we are making our Laughing Matters event virtual on Saturday, April 25th. Starting at 7:25, again to celebrate our 25th anniversary, 7:25 p.m. at cancersupportindy.org. People will see a live stand-up by Dave Dugan of National and Bob and Tom fame, for those who know that name. He's going to do a family-friendly stand-up routine, so it's safe for the whole family, the kids. And I'm going to talk about our mission and what we do for the community. We'll have our silent auction, live auction. We'll have a live auctioneer on stage that evening. It's just going to be a very, very unique comedy and support event for anybody. And so hopefully those that are kind of stuck at home, and we need some levity, right, in our lives right now. And I hope that people will tune in on Saturday, April 25th at cancersupportindy.org to get a little of that levity in their life, and maybe even support Cancer Support Community.
Well, thanks for sharing that, and thank you for all that you and your team are doing to impact Central Indiana and those with in some tragic and challenging situations.
Jerry, thank you so much, and thank you for the opportunity and the venue to talk about Cancer Support Community and get the word out about what we do.
Sounds great. Thanks, Eric.
Thanks.